At home, at home, at home. Here in Springdale, Ohio, right near the Tri-County Mall, we took a look at this at-home store that was closing before, and I was just like, aside from a few signs throughout the store, you couldn't even tell the place was closing. Well, we're going to try it again after it's been closing for a little while longer and see if there are any fixtures for sale or anything kind of different and unique. So if you want to see how things have changed, just follow me. Yes, it's the at-home total liquidation sale, closing this location only. Hurry before things run out. All merchandise must go, nothing held back. 10 to 30% off. All right, well, it's been a few weeks since I visited this store, and nothing has really changed. It looks identical, just store closing signs. I don't even really see any vacant shelves yet walking through the main aisle. Have you guys noticed how stores nowadays are just bland and boring and not branded? Like, where in this entire store do you see that it says at home? Walking around, I haven't found any labeling at all. And I'm noticing more and more stores are doing this. They just have no branding. So when they go out of business, you want to get some of that, branding to preserve the store, but they don't have any. Not like Kmart, where they had big Kmart and the music and video and different things like that, where you'd be like, oh yeah, that's Kmart when you look at it. But no, if I picked something up out of here, any of the signs, you might be able to tell that it's at home because of the shape of the sign. But other than that, most people would be like, what's that from? And this is a common problem and common theme that I'm noticing in stores, especially newer ones. Or you get the problem of they just won't sell you any of the signs that say the store name, like Macy's or whatever. Well, you can see here, they are beginning to empty out the shelves and block stuff off. So here's your first sign of the store emptying itself out. And of course, we have to have a lovely display here advertising how everything is going out of business and nothing's held back. Store closing. Oh my. What a lovely table and chair set, or I should say dining set. There is not a lot of people in here for as many cars that were in the lot. There's like maybe 10 people in here, but there had to have been 20 cars. Oh, they still got lots of lamps left. Now, as far as affordable lamps, this place has the nicest lamps at an affordable price. Because you go to like an actual lamp store and you're going to pay out your butt for one of those, at least $100. And I think that's nuts. But this is the rug section. Carpets, doormats. Oh yes, I need to look at some mats. See if I can find a dog-proof one that's not going to collect all the hair. Maybe I need a mat like this for my dog. It might collect the water. Yeah, this looks like it's going to. I don't know how that would hold up. Oh, no. You can tell that's definitely not going to hold up. Sorry for the graininess. Well, crap, that was a good idea, though. And I liked it because it had dogs on it. Well, crap. Well, wait, we have this one that says Home Sweet Home. Yeah, it's a nice heavy-duty one, though. But we have another one of the dog ones. It looks like it might be a little smaller, though. But I don't know how that might work for when my dog comes in with wet feet. Oh, wow, this is just a vast array of giant shelving units. I don't even know how you would use these. I mean, I guess they could sell them to another store, but definitely a consumer would not want any of these. Unless they wanted to open a giant store. And here we are back at the main aisle leading to the checkouts. This is the one that runs alongside of the main doors. And it's just, do they really need this many closing signs concentrated at the front like that? Kind of overkill. Okay, I didn't notice this the last time I came here. All the fixtures and stuff that they have for sale. None of this is specific to at home or says at home on it. So I wouldn't be interested in it.